Warning, the following video does not contain calculator stuff, so you're actually going to have to use your head. Take out a notebook and start writing. And don't forget your background music, because this might be a little boring. Okay, now we're going to use the remainder and factor theorems. We're asked to find the remainder when f of x is divided by x minus 1. Okay? So, and we have to find the remainder and use the factor theorem to determine whether x minus 1 is a factor of fx. So, fx is going to be 2x cubed plus 2x squared minus 8x plus 8. What do we do now? Well, the remainder theorem says, remainder theorem says that if f of x over x minus c, then the remainder is fc. So that means that when we divide this function by this function, we're doing this. Let's see. 2x cubed plus 2x squared minus 8x plus 8 divided by x minus 1, right? Well, the only thing that this is saying is that this is your x minus 1. This is your x minus c. So, x minus c. And 1 is your c. You just take this number 1 and evaluate the function at 1. So, f1 is equal to 2 times 1 cubed plus 2 times 1 squared minus 8 times 1 plus 8, which equals to
you
1
can do it.
to the third power.
I know you can. I trust you. That's why I'm trying to teach you.
Then 1 squared, 1 times 2, 2. So 2 plus 2. Negative 8 times 1, negative 8 plus 8. And we get that 2 plus 2 is 4. And negative 8 plus 8, all these cancel out. So our answer would be 4. Okay? And the factor theorem, now let's use the factor theorem. Let me just erase this right here. Get some space. Hope you wrote the remainder theorem because it's gone. And now, factor theorem. Factor theorem says, Factor theorem says that x minus c is a factor of a polynomial fx, of a polynomial fx. This is not here. Okay, fx if f evaluated at c is equal to 0. So, since f to the 1, f evaluated at 1 equals 4, then x minus 1 is not a factor. Okay? This should have been 0 in order for this to be a factor of f of x. Let's do another one.
Pay attention. You'll do good in class.
Okay.
We'll pass.
Now, find the remainder when f of x is divided by Okay, wait. F of x is equal to 4x to the 4th minus x cubed plus 8x minus 2. So find the remainder when this is divided by x minus 1/4. And then use the factor theorem to determine whether x minus 1/4 is a factor of fx. Okay, so remember, we have there 4x to the 4th minus x cubed plus 8x minus 2 and x minus 1/4. So this divided by this. And now what do we do here? This is our x minus c, right? So here's our c, 1/4. And we have to evaluate this thing at 1/4. So f 1/4 equals to 4 times 1/4 to the 4th power minus 1/4 to the 3rd power cubed plus 8 1/4 minus 2, which is equal to 1/64 minus 1/64 plus 2 minus 2. Oh, and you can use your calculator for this stuff. It's easy. So what is this? Let's see. 1/64 minus 1. Oh well, we don't even have to use the calculator. 1/64 minus 1/64, they cancel out, right? So these cancel. Let me get another color. These cancel. And 2 minus 2, they cancel. So our answer is 0. And since our answer is 0, then what? Yes, x minus 1/4 is a factor of the polynomial because f evaluated at 1/4 is equal to 0. Okay? Don't forget about this. It's super important. And remember to subscribe and like my videos. I hope I was helpful. Good luck in whatever you are going to do next.